Welcome to GigaBits. In the world of fulfillment services, choosing the right partner can be the difference between fast, reliable delivery or angry customers and lost revenue. Two names that constantly appear in the dropshipping and e-commerce conversation are ShipBob and ShipHero. Both promise fast fulfillment, powerful automation, and nationwide warehouse coverage. But which one actually performs better in 2026? Some say ShipBob is the easiest to use with excellent scalability, while others claim ShipHero is faster, more advanced, and more reliable for high-volume brands. Today we break down which fulfillment service truly deserves your business. To review ShipBob and ShipHero properly, I tested both platforms for several weeks using a mock e-commerce store. I sent test orders, tracked fulfillment speed, monitored shipping accuracy, evaluated dashboard usability, and analyzed costs. I also reviewed community feedback from e-commerce founders and compared both services across real operational metrics like inventory syncing, delivery times, and packaging quality. Combining hands-on testing with insights from actual merchants, here's how both fulfillment providers perform in a dropshipping workflow. ShipBob and ShipHero both claim to offer fast and affordable nationwide shipping, multiple fulfillment centers for 2-day delivery, automated order routing, real-time inventory visibility, seamless integrations with major e-commerce platforms, scalable fulfillment suitable for both small and large brands. These claims sound impressive, but which company actually delivers better results? Step 1. Onboarding and ease of use. ShipBob's setup process was faster and more beginner-friendly. The dashboard is clean, easy to navigate, and ideal for merchants who just want to plug in their store and start shipping. ShipHero's onboarding was more complex but offered deeper customization, ideal for brands that require advanced warehouse controls. Step 2. Fulfillment speed. Both companies offer 2-day shipping options. ShipHero, however, processed incoming orders slightly faster during testing, often within minutes, while ShipBob took a bit longer but remained consistent. Step 3. Accuracy and packaging. Both services maintained excellent picking accuracy with no mispacked orders. ShipBob's packaging looked slightly more standardized, while ShipHero's felt more customizable. Step 4. Inventory management. ShipHero clearly stood out here. Its inventory tools were more powerful, more flexible, and better for multi-warehouse operations. ShipBob's tools were simpler, but good enough for most small and medium shops. Step 5. Integrations. Both integrated smoothly with storefronts like Shopify and WooCommerce. ShipBob's integration felt more streamlined and beginner-oriented, while ShipHero offered more advanced configuration options. Step 6. Pricing and value. ShipBob offered clearer, more predictable pricing, helpful for new sellers who need cost transparency. ShipHero tended to be more expensive, but its advanced features made it worthwhile for larger brands that require more control. Step 7. Limitations and drawbacks. ShipBob's limitation: less control for merchants who want deep customization or complex warehouse logic. ShipHero's limitation: higher learning curve and higher pricing for smaller stores. So which fulfillment provider is better in 2026? Choose ShipBob if you want the simplest, most beginner-friendly setup, prefer straightforward pricing, run a growing but not overly complex business, want a scalable, reliable 3PL with no technical headaches. Choose ShipHero if you handle large order volumes, need advanced inventory tools, want extremely fast processing times, prefer deep customization over simplicity. In short, ShipBob is best for simplicity and growth, while ShipHero is best for advanced operations and high-volume brands. Both are strong, but your choice depends on how complex your business is and how much control you want over fulfillment. If this breakdown helped you choose between ShipBob and ShipHero, hit the like button and subscribe to GigaBits. We analyze the best tools and platforms for e-commerce every week so you can stay efficient, competitive, and ahead of the curve.